The airbag light in your Nissan Qashqai, also known as the SRS warning light, indicates a problem within the vehicle's airbag and seatbelt pretensioner system. This system is designed to protect you in a collision, and a lit warning light means the system may not function correctly. Common causes include low battery voltage, faulty seatbelt buckle switches, damaged wiring, or issues after a repair. Due to the complexity and safety implications, attempting a DIY reset without proper knowledge and tools is strongly discouraged. Modern Nissan Qashqai models require advanced OB2 scanners with CAN bus access for accurate SRS resets. Improper resets can lead to undetected airbag failures, potentially causing serious injury in a crash and violating safety regulations. Professional mechanics use specialized tools like the Nissan Consult software to diagnose and address the root cause of the issue before clearing the SRS code. They ensure the system is properly functioning before any reset. Looking ahead, expect AI-driven diagnostics and subscription-based services to become more common, with potential for over-the-air updates for SRS resets. However, regulations will likely mandate certified technicians for any airbag system work to ensure safety and prevent fraud. Always prioritize professional service to ensure your airbag system functions correctly.